Hello, and welcome back to Just a Magic Minute, a currently inconsistent Disney and Beyond news show where we strive to bring you all things theme park news and related in just a few minutes so you can get your fix and be on your way. To all who come to this happy place, welcome, and let's get into it. Holy smokes, it's been a hot minute. Between the shutdowns, children homeschooling, and this melting pot of sludge that everyone's been dealing with, this channel took a back burner. That being said, I have very much missed working in this world and am jumping back in full throttle, including leaving for a Disney trip tonight. There will be a few members of the Jam team at the Walt Disney World 50th anniversary celebration, and we are so excited. If you find one of us, please say hi and we will give you a pin. With so much going on and us just coming back from hiatus, I thought it might be fun to just touch on a few things we're excited about coming up at Disney that you might find exciting as well. Merchandise, so much, and it's all coming out anywhere from now to the next 18 months. Everything from the much talked about 50th anniversary iridescent collection to a castle collection, a Lux logo collection, and the one I'm most excited and curious about, the Vault collection, which will feature many nostalgic and throwback Disney items. So fun. Starting on the night of October 1st, Disney will begin their Beacons of Magic, where iconic park structures will be lit up with shimmering and glowing lights. A lot more is happening on October 1st, which, in case you didn't know, is the actual 50th anniversary of the opening of Walt Disney World. This will include the grand opening of Remy's Ratatouille Adventure at the France Pavilion in Epcot, the debut of Epcot's nighttime spectacular Harmonious, which will feature reimaginings of some of Disney's most loved music, and also Disney Enchantment, the new fireworks show at Magic Kingdom designed to inspire everyone to believe in magic. If you're flying into Orlando International, get excited to feel the magic of the 50th anniversary right out of the gates. The airport has Disney touches, including an art installation, a golden teacup to take photos with, and even iridescent light projections. I hope you're hungry because some of the new menu items for the anniversary celebration sound amazing. These will include some park classics as well as some of Walt Disney's favorites like cheese fries with Walt's chili, and of course some new creations which will be adorned with iridescent shimmer accents. There is so much going on and not enough minutes to cover it all, so to take a cue from Walt himself, we're going to keep moving forward and start fresh from here. And that is it for the relaunch of our Disney and Beyond News in a Flash. We encourage you to subscribe to our social media accounts for more real-time updates as well as to follow along with us as we celebrate the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World at the parks. If there is anything that you are excited or curious about with the upcoming celebration, please just shoot us a message and we'll try to cover it while we're there. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of the fun. You can also find me on my personal channel at Amused Living here on YouTube. I will put links to everything down below. Thank you so much for watching. It's good to be back. That's all for now, Jammers. We'll see you real soon.